So the guys will say Afio, Afi, Trifo and so Beka Yamama Fishiapa. And when you go to the English speaking countries, we'll tell you happy new year to you all. We pray that 2023 bring us the best of success and the best of everything that you need. My name is Ohene. You can call me Mr. Fresh. Martinasi from our studios here inside Koforidua, the 2121 show, no, and Eddie Brown. We are zooming straight to our trending stories for the week. We'll share over the past weeks and also we'll share the festive season. There were a lot of activities a crop here, from the Afrochellers to Afro Nation to the Rapaholic concert to all the big shows, the Jackie Ebo show, Shatawale, FLA, the stadium, big ups to all these big guys. Now we are moving all the way from Accra down to the eastern part of the country, which is Koforidua. Yes, Koforidua Flowers. Now, Obe PMO Koforidua over the festive season, and there were a lot of activities. And one of the activities are our Eastern region, Koforidua to be precise, a homecoming. Into almost all the communities are your region, homecoming. Now, today our concentration is on Betom homecoming. Baby, I'll show you. I know, and I believe that you've heard about Betom because it's one of the suburbs in the Eastern Regional Capital, and their 10th anniversary. So stay with me as I take you and bring you bits and sounds from the 10th anniversary of Betom homecoming.
Betom coming 10th anniversary, feeling good, great. Ajibe Ofa wiasa fene nyina eno ho asem ana omo ka se 10th anniversary dey e be ye fantastic activities are edida kwamu dey nyame ya adoma the first way candle and bonfire night ye de be fa chrome ama wiasa fene nyina hu se Betom coming 10th anniversary be create awareness na the edition launching launching we are na ye Koforidua clinic for so about medical screening. If you want to moswa na ya ba charity and source pool party to what dear home hotel na ya clean up exercise. So if you want to my be Indomie Defense and Family Day out na number ni ya gospel rock show ya tuntun awurade amana ya kama na 26 na nkasa no pano na ya gangan to have work aye be fa Koforidua mountain so nyina. If you are be magic cooking competition na number na ya gangan to street carnival Koforidua Betom coming festival enye eni jeni nkwa na anase ye koban wi nkwa da bi eye past 9 years no we are ni ye di abo ni pattern ya che ni pattern ejuma free ya mani pa 5 scholarship impenifo ni bi so afa bi ejuma mu nti eye ade a ye de support eye Koforidua Betom man eni Koforidua man nyina na mafa akonyo so invite obi a say this year 10th anniversary of Koforidua Betom coming no a Basso life and Caledania for the agro crime, the WBRC reshape to the world. Side B. Side B. Gunaki. This type be romantic, this style be romantic. My girl, she be romantic. She got me, baby. I'ma come make us be honey. She got me, baby. I'ma come make us be honey. Everybody, see my baby. Everybody, sweet like honey. Yeah, now I'm from M to Jamaica, baby girl. Oh, let me water. She's like, babe, do you wanna have my cat? Cause I love to play with the khaki. She dey give me tough time all night. She keep playing with my cat.
me romantic. She call me, baby. I'ma come make us be honey. She call me, baby. I'ma come make us be honey. Everybody, see my baby. Everybody, sweet like honey. Yeah, now I'm from M to Jamaica, baby girl. Oh, let me water. She's like, babe, do you wanna have my cat? Cause I love to play with the khaki. She dey give me tough time all night. She keep playing with my cat.
Wow, what a crowd! Like Charlie, I was blown away looking at the number of Nkrofo Mutupi to come to Betom homecoming from the live band section. MOK Studios _ Facebook is MOK Studios _ and Instagram MOK Studios _. Now next week it will come your way, so we'll review all the activities that happened within the year and the review that happened within 2022, from Eastern Music Awards through to all the homecomings and the other activities that happened within the year from the Eastern Regional Capital, Koforidua. My name is Ohene Kena. You can call me Mr. Fresh. Peace. I'm out.